And here the hadith mentions the Muslim the real Muslim is the one whom the Muslims are safe from his what? First, tongue, and then the hand. So the harm in the tongue is being mentioned before the harm of the actions. Because the tongue is worse, ya ikhwani. The tongue can demolish and ruin and destroy more than the hand. And that is why the Prophet ﷺ, you could say the whole of Islam, had focused on the tongue. Most of the hadith of the Prophet ﷺ is to do with keep that in check, your tongue. This is the one that's going to take you into disaster. And let me tell you that the tongue is the sheikh of all your limbs. He's a sheikh. Every day, every morning, the limbs of yours, they humble themselves before the tongue. It's like saying, please, tongue, fear Allah in our sake. We are with you. Either you take us to hell, or you take us to paradise. If you are straight, we are straight with you. If you are crooked, we are crooked with you. You choose and we are with you. We don't have anything to say. We can't just revolt against you, Mr. Tongue. So you are the sheikh. That's the tongue of yours. And this tongue is like a spoon fishes from the lake. And the lake is your heart. So your heart is, mashallah, full of good water. Then it will fish nice and sweet water. But if it's full of sewage, then it will fish only sewage. And that's why the filth comes out of your mouth. Even if you try to hide it, it will come out. Ala falatati lisani. That means in the tongue, sometimes you don't really pay attention. That word comes out because you are filthy. You know, sometimes he wakes up in the morning, instead of saying, Alhamdulillah, alladhi ahyana ba'da ma amatana wa ilayhi nushur, S-H-I-T. That's his dhikr of Allah. That's in the morning. He just utters that word because his heart is full of sewage. Where did you get the sewage from? From the canals that runs into that lake. Those canals are either from what you see, from what you hear, and again from what you speak. So the tongue fishes and puts input as well. So if you hear and you see and you do bad things, definitely going to fill up that heart with a'udhu billah, filth. And that's why you're going to utter filth. So the tongue is a destroyer. And that's why the Prophet of Allah, he had commanded us in a number of hadith. I want to talk about the tongue as just lectures here. Allah musta'an. Keep, ikhwani, sure that you haven't wronged somebody with your tongue. Miskeen, you are a poor person. You have ruined your hasanat on the day of resurrection.